Good morning, everyone. It is actually day 3, and I am right now in Amritsar. Like, I didn't shoot a vlog day 1 or day 2 because we were in train and train vlogs don't mean anything. So, I'll start vlogging from today. The first location we are going is Amritsar, so yeah. And the room which we got, we are definitely on a budget trip, so we are sharing like one between the four of us. So this is the room we are in. I'll show you the room tour in a bit. So basically we are all decked up and ready to leave because our tour manager told us to be ready by 8 o'clock, but still it's quite late because we got ready by 9. And I know, yeah, so we got ready and now we are going for a breakfast. They have made arrangements for Jain breakfast also. So that's pretty cool and that's highly appreciated from my part basically. And the hotel we are staying in is Hotel Grand City. I'll show you the tour in a bit, okay? We are done with our breakfast and we are leaving for the sightseeing, like Amritsar sightseeing right now. And we are going in a tempo traveler kind of thing. So yeah, I'll see you when something exciting happens. Here at Pavan Valmiki Tirth, Amritsar. It's a Ram Mandir kind of scenario. It is super pretty. Oh my god. Wow. Like literally wow. Just look at this. So we are here at the Ram Tirath Mandir and I didn't expect a mandir to be this classy, okay? Like just look at the surrounding, the mandir. The mandir, it is very peaceful, okay? Like it is so beautiful and peaceful at once. Like there's no noise, nothing. And there's also an amusement park over there if you could spot. So yeah, that's also an adventure thing for this. And this is so pretty. Like could you expect something like this in a mandir? Like wow, beautiful. It's such a nice thing coming over here, seeking blessings but also having fun and spending a nice time over here. It is a nice place. If you are in Amritsar or somewhere near, do come and visit this place. Aram se you can spend your whole evening over here, I tell you that. So pretty, so blissful. We are basically done with the Ramnath Mandir right now. We are going to another place. Let's see what that place is. So I'll catch you there. Bye. So we are here at the Durgyana Mandir right now. As you can see, it's a huge mandir. Another religious place. And it's very famous temple over here. And it's beautifully built. Like you cannot, it's just not a temple, but it's also for fun and entertainment. Like people can come here as a site also. So this is also a beautiful spot to visit in Amritsar. So basically this is the actual entrance of the mandir and you have to wash your legs over here in this holy water and go. This is the outer view of the mandir. If they allow me, then I'll definitely take you inside through. Cool, let's go. This also has a beautiful water surrounded it, like almost on the three sides, and it is situated in middle. So it is also a beautiful and peaceful place. But today there is a little crowd because we and other two tours are also here. But it's such a peaceful place. Nonetheless, yeah, beautiful. It is kind of under renovation, and this is the entrance. I'm not allowed to take you inside. So yeah, this is the overview of the mandir. And yeah, this is the overview of the lake aside. It is beautiful, as I said, but lake and the mandir. Uh, but one thing I like to add over here is just keep in mind the timing, because we came over here just a tad bit late and the mandir was closed, but nevertheless we are enjoying the view and clicking amazing pictures, because obviously who will miss clicking pictures in such a beautiful place. Yeah, so yeah, that is the thing. Otherwise it was it is a nice mandir, and the interior of the mandir is also very beautifully done. It's with like broken pieces of colorful couch and everything. So that's also amazing thing if you if you are into interiors and stuff. So yeah, definitely visit this place. एंड आई गेस अमृतसर में ये एक ट्रेंड है कि मंदिर के अच्छे मंदिर के आजू बाजू टू हैव अ ग्रेट वाटर बॉडी और समथिंग. बट या tourist attraction play, these things need to be kept in mind, right? Yeah, we are enjoying right now. Catch you later. Basically, we are at Langar right now, having Langar का खाना, because प्रसाद लिए बगैर गुरुद्वारा से जाया नहीं जाता. We are doing that right now, and then I guess we'll go to do some shopping and then come back again to see the lights at night. So yeah, I'll catch you while shopping, and then later in the night. So we are basically done with the darshan in the Golden Temple, and we have come over here on the streets to shop a little bit over here and there and explore more of Amritsar, because we have an hour spare with us right now. And then I guess we are obviously going to have a big glass of lassi. So I'll catch you up at that time, because shopping is not my thing. I'm just here to accompany a few of my friends. Let's see if I like something or not. But anyways, I'll catch you when I have lassi. So then, bye. We are here after all to have a Punjabi lassi, because when in Amritsar you cannot not have a lassi. So here we go. Hello. So, good evening. It is actually 8:30. I know I didn't update you after having lassi, because we were planning to go to see the lights in the Golden Temple, but it was such a wrong timing, and the situations were quite changed abruptly. So we had to come back to the hotel. So we didn't get to see the lights, and we are all changed and freshened up, and then we are going down to have dinner, and it's sort of a DJ night plus an introductory session among the tour members itself. So yeah, that's going to happen. I may or may not vlog in the DJ or during the dinner, but let's see if in case I'm available to do. But let's see, or else I'll see you in the night. Good evening. So we are finally back in the room. Like it's almost 12:30. I know I told you that I will keep you updated about the dinner and DJ, but honestly, we were so into it that we didn't even have the time to look at our phones. And I don't think if anyone of us has even clicked a picture or a video about it. So if anyone has a clip about those the DJ scenes or anything, I'll definitely insert it here, because it was so much fun, I tell you. And anyways, it was just a whole day in Amritsar. We missed out on major points like Wagah border main, and that was the whole day out in Amritsar. Basically, we just visited the mandirs over here and there, and the Golden Temple, which was the most important place in Amritsar. Like, this is the place you have to visit. And Wagah border is one, but due to the lockdown reasons, we weren't able to visit the Wagah border, which was kind of an off point for me. But
we can't help the circumstances, right? So yeah, that was end to a wonderful day, day 3, like not day 1 basically. And yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are leaving for another place early in the morning. So yeah, I'll catch you then. Bye. Good night.
Good morning, everyone. It is day 4, and it is almost 7:30 in the morning, and we are all ready with all our woolens ready and decked up to leave to Dharamshala. We are going to Dharamshala today, and yeah, so we are right now full ready, and we are going for a breakfast in a bit. We have also taken more of woolen clothes with us in case ज़्यादा ठंडी लग गया, because you never know the weather conditions of the earth. So yeah, that is it for the update today. I'll catch you after breakfast maybe. Bye.
So yeah, this is our room. This is the main door from where you enter, and you have 2 large king size beds over here with a tiny table over there and a wallpaper, AC lights, fan, everything. And here is a huge window. And here on the left side of the window we have a bathroom. It's not that big or that small. A shower and everything is provided. All the facilities like moisturizer and everything is also available, and a pot over here. A geyser, obviously. Then we have TV, a dressing table over here, and as you can see, and just behind the door we have a wardrobe scene going on, where you can store everything. And yeah, that's it. And the view from the window is nothing as such. It just reflects the road in front of the hotel. So it's quite spacious. Like four people could aram se stay in this hotel. So yeah, that was a room tour. I'll see you. I'll see you after breakfast. Bye.
Hello, everybody. So we are just done with our breakfast. Right now it's almost 8:30, and we have already checked out of the hotel, and we are proceeding. That's our bus, I think, and we are proceeding to Dharamshala. We have kind of 4-hour journey ahead. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I don't think I may be able to vlog during the journey as such, but then I'll catch you in Dharamshala. Bye. Hello, people, and welcome to Dharamshala. We are right now on our way to lunch, way to have a lunch, and it was almost a 5-hour long journey from Amritsar. Trust me, my feet are totally cramped up right now, but it was all worth it. Like, let me show you the view. Like, mountains नहीं दिख रहे तुमको, but yeah, it is beautiful. But the only thing is, big tempos, travelers and buses cannot, fit into the roads, onto the small roads after a certain point. So you have to get down there and walk all the way to explore whatever you want. So yeah, we are almost walking for about, I don't know how long. We have walked a long way, hence I'm heaving so loudly. But yeah, that's it from my side, and I'm totally like very hungry right now. So maybe I'll catch you after lunch or when we visit the stadium probably. Bye. Well, good afternoon and welcome to Dharamshala. We are over here at the Dharamshala Stadium right now. And let me tell you, being a cricket lover and cricket obsessed for these many years, like past, I don't know, as long as I remember, I was obsessed. I am obsessed with cricket. So like this has been on my bucket list since a long time. So here we are, like although the match is not going on, वो थोड़ा अफसोस है, but stadium तो देखने मिल रहा है. Let's go. So well, yeah, as I was saying, I may or may not be able to vlog the whole thing or vlog a huge part of it, but I'll definitely share a small glimpse of the stadium because we have time constraints. Like really, we are too late over here, and we have to reach another site as well. So कहे गए मैं, और ऑब्वियसली अच्छे फ़ोटोज़ खींचना है और देखना भी था अच्छे से. सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू व्लॉग एज मच. सो yeah, please bear with me, but yeah, we are in the Dharmshala and the cricket stadium. And yeah, apart from my hair, everything looks better. So yeah, let's go. Guys, just look at the stadium. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like it would probably hit different if the match was going on, but yeah, I'm truly satisfied with this. And also don't forget to notice the mountains behind. Oh my god, this is a beauty to end it right now. It's beautiful. This is the outer view of the Dharamshala cricket stadium. वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, like not bad at all, at all, at all. Good evening. We are at the waterfall right now, or it is like way too far. Like we had to walk miles and miles and literally trek. And you can see my halat. I genuinely suck at trekking and all, but थोड़ा संतुष्टि हुआ waterfall देखा, like अच्छा खासा संतुष्टि हुआ. So this is also quite a place. Like if you are a person who loves to trek, this is definitely the spot for you. But if you don't like to trek, आ जाना अच्छा है. Anyways, so yeah, this is my halat right now. Other than my halat, everything is quite fine and everyone is enjoying too much. So yeah, that's it. I cannot talk more. I need to rest and click some pictures and just uh, be in peace. So I wouldn't talk right now. I'll maybe probably see if we go to some other spot, because I am definitely not going to vlog while we trek or climb up and down. So that's a big no for me. So I'll catch you later, probably somewhere exciting or after the dinner. So see you. Bye. Good evening, everyone. We are here at the local market to shop something and have a dinner. So we got some great shawls from here and some souvenirs. Buddha type of souvenirs are very famous over here, and even the shawls are pretty soft. So in case you want that thing, the local food here is basically momos and Maggies and barbecue and those stuff, which is not that tasty. So I don't लाइक मार्केट में फ़िलहाल तो वही दिख रहा है मुझे, ना कुछ स्पेशलिटी का इतना कुछ पता तो नहीं है. तो दिस इज़ द थिंग, वी आर डूइंग सम मोर शॉपिंग एंड देन वील गो टू हैव डिनर. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ देयर इन द डिनर टुडे, एंड देन we are going for an overnight journey to Manali, and that I'll be showing in the next vlog. So I don't know if I'm going to end the vlog after dinner or anytime after dinner. So I guess this is the end for day 3 and day 4, that is Amritsar and Dharamshala vlog. So stay tuned for the next vlog definitely, and if you liked my efforts, like जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत मैं vlog कर सकी उसके लिए, हाँ, अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब to Usually Unfiltered, and I'll meet you in the Manali vlog. Bye.